What's up, YouTube? Got the Hoonitruck out here trying out these GravityRc belted tires. I ran it for a little while before I turned the camera on. Very sticky tires, so they're belted. Kind of match the truck. The exact same color as the fake plastic rotors. To give you some type of idea, they're low profile, on-road belted tires. $2S. Still didn't order 3S battery yet. I'm gonna order one today, definitely. There are only 2S in there. Oh, a little squirrely there. Oh shit. All right, they are some pretty sticky tires. First time I rolled this over. Boy, ah, there it is. Wow. Okay, man, I better not use these tires for drifting. Maybe I hit something and rolled over, I don't know. Yep, that might have been what it was. 24 miles an hour. 132 feet. Just curious. That's slow as hell. See the max speed. Full throttle. Yeah, 24 miles an hour. Yeah. Check the tires out, put the brakes on. Y'all look at that roof, damn it. Sheesh. Still got some tread on them. Probably about the same as the stock tire will last, I guess. Definitely more grip. But I'm gonna take these off, put the stock tires back on. Okay, that was the first run with the new system in it. Hobby Wing, 140 amp ESC, 4000 kV motor. I kept a 22 on it, a 5mm bore, but still 20 count. I will be going up to 25. I'm not going to be doing speed runs or anything like that, but I want more out of it than 24 miles an hour. So we'll be going up to 25. This is still on 2S. Haven't messed with the turbo settings or none of that in here. I want it to be a nice, good speed with a good temp. If I start messing with the turbos and anything else it has inside of it, the timing or whatever. I ordered I didn't order 3S battery yet. I got on Amazon right away in between these videos and ordered the 25 tooth. It's actually a set 25 up to 29, I believe, or 28. Hardened aluminum. I was gonna stick with steel, but the idler gear in here is plastic. So it really don't matter what type of gear I put on here, because that's plastic anyway. So hardened aluminum, 70-75. That'd be good enough for this. Because of that idler gear, it's plastic anyway. Tires held up. No glue came undone on any of the 4 tires. I checked them all. Looked like that in the video, but they threw a lot of glue on here from the factory. That's glue. It's shiny. Looked like it might be coming loose, but that's glue all up in there. None of the tires came unglued. I'm not sponsored. They weren't free. I searched for belted 1/10 scale touring car tires. These popped up. I followed the link and I bought them. I'll put the link in the description. That's it. It ran good. I mean, nothing wrong with Hobby Wing. Hobby Wing really stepping their game up since I've been into RC. I'm not an old head and I ain't been around for decades like people be talking about, but when I've been around, they weren't doing all this. So they really stepped their game up. And they still got a drag motor out there. Hobby Wing stepped their game up since I've been into RC. Like I said, 2S, I ordered 3S. I'm going to order 3S. I ordered the pinion. Tires held up. I'm going to say they're a little stickier than the stock tires. These, they're racing tires. They're not drifting tires. So they're a little stickier. But you can see you can still break free on them. Remember I did the diffs also. I think I put 20 in the rear and 20 in the front of 30. I can't remember right now. It's in the old video. I didn't lock anything. I said I'm going to keep this a basher. So the diffs are still open, front and rear. It didn't bottom out. I didn't stiffen the shocks up too bad. Just whatever the stock is. I did go with a heavier fluid. Again, I look at the old videos. I can't remember what I put in here. I go between this, the 7 scale, and my little 124 scale, 118 scale. So I can't remember everything I've been doing. But even though it kind of soft on the shocks, still not bottoming out. So that's good. That's from that rock I ran over a couple of times. So the chassis still good shape. I did roll him over. Like I said, hit that rock or something at like the perfectly wrong angle when it rolled over. But everything else is good. I didn't mess with the turbos yet. The timing, the turbo, whatever it has inside here. So I got the Bluetooth programmer right there. So I can do it from the phone. I haven't messed with that yet. So I'm going to get it at a comfortable speed first and have that as an option. So with that 25 tooth, I think I should be good with that on 2S. 3S, I want to get a little bit wilder and mess with the timing and turbos to take it above that. So, fun little truck. Peace.